Mamelodi Sundowns dished out a statement win against Sekhukhune United. Mamelodi Sundowns ibidlala igame yayo yes-8 kule season le ye-Betway Premiership. Bedlala against Sekhukhune United eLotus Park. It was a must-win game for Manqoba Mnqitsi because his team last time they played badrop ama-points against the team yakwi-Champions League. So by grabbing this win, lokho kunikeza uManqoba Mnqitsi ithemba lokuthi aqhubeke nabafana a-instile i-style of play sakhe. Yize there were issues uma ubheka indlela abadlale ngayo abafana namhlanje. Uma usubheke i-first half yeMamelodi Sundowns le ayidlala njenge-Sundowns yalast season. Uma ubheka indlela ababedlala ngayo last season and this season, players right now bane-mentality different, yabo, because uRulani wa-instila i-mentality yokudlala i-tiki-taka, but this is Mamelodi Sundowns ile team le penetrator kakhulu efuna ukuya phambili ishaya igoli. And ubonile namhlanje iSekhukhune United besivaleka impela, and ukuvala kweSekhukhune United kudale ukuthi bagcine sebenza ama-mistakes because you saw ukuthi mistake eshawo lo amdlali weSekhukhune United uTresa Yamba, yabo, wayishaya i-mistake kwabi on goal bakora. Uma usubheka indlela iMamelodi Sundowns ekora amagoli ayo okuqala, yabo, there are countless games ubona khona iSundowns la ibine pressure khona, yabo, basizwa yini i-penalty, basizwa yini mhlawumbe on goal, yabo, and lezo zinto lezo kuzohamba kuhambe ibhedeli Sundowns. Njengoba sabona bedlala neMagesi kwadingeka ukuthi uRibeiro umdlali odlala le phambili adropa collect ibhola ashaya ipass le yathola ubani uIkram Reyners ashaya inqa. Ukorela namhlanje umfana uSalez striker abasithenga le Brazil ushaya ipenalty namhlanje, iyihle penalty wakora futhi noIkram Reyners uyadlala bafethu. Enye into leyo engisayinotisile ngomdlalo eyintshosi nje uba wayesuka le kuyi-Stellenbosch FC uzofika kwi-Sundowns afika phasha, but ungisuse kakhulu indlela adlala ngakhona, yabo, uyakhombisa impela ukuthi uyafuna ukulwela ijezi lapha kwi-Sundowns. Abadlali abanjengoShalule kumele bagade bazohlala ebhenchini ngenxa Ikram Reyners. Shawule kumele alisebenzise leli thuba lokulimala kwaMatthews. Nomfana omncane lapha kuthiwa uKhoza uyadlala emuva, uyakwazi ukudlala emuva, uyakhombisa ukuthi ngempela i-mentality yakhe, yabo, unaleyo leadership leyo mebamba ibhola, and ne-physique yakhe ne-height yakhe iyamenza bulo mdlali lo udingakala ngempela, because ama-center backs amanje adingakala i-physique ne-height because uyasiza kuyindawo njengama-set piece kanje. Sundowns number 1 right now with 21 points, drawing with the Orlando Pirates le enegame in hand. Badlala kusasa, badlala against the Stellenbosch FC, which is a team efuna nayo ukuchallenge. Stellenbosch FC right now sik number 5, Orlando Pirates number 2. It dropped down because iMamelodi Sundowns namhlanje winile bane goal difference eningi ne-Orlando Pirates, ingakho bebu number 1, but ama-point ayalingana. Usehlile indlela yokudlala lo mfana u-Alendo wehlile indlela yokudlala, angazi noma yena ubona lo, but wangitshela ama-comments ukuthi uzizwa kanjani indlela ewina ngakhona iMamelodi Sundowns namhlanje. For me, I wasn't happy indlela abawina ngakhona. Yes, bawinile, but yabo, let's hope uManqoba Mnqitsi usazohlala kwi-Sundowns a-instile i-game plan yakhe, because i-game plan yakhe right now it is not convincing. Yes, it's a statement win, but it is not convincing, yabo. Akusiyona le Sundowns lesiyaziyo thina, sazi Sundowns mfethu ekudlalela ibhola, mfethu eshayela i-tiki-taka, mfethu kushaya inqa kanje. Mhlawumbe ngiyibonanga leyo nto, yabo. Namhlanje i-first half yanamhlanje ingikhombisile ukuthi hayi cha, yabo, kunenkinga ezikhona lapha kwi-Sundowns, but-ke asemaningi ama-games uyoshaya nje uMay, sesazi kahle kahle ukuthi uba uzoba number 1, yabo.